Hello, Sawadee Cup, and welcome back to the channel. The Tesla Farang here. Sorry I've been away for a little while, haven't done any videos or updates. Things have been busy. I've had the Tesla now for 2 months and things are going great. So I just wanted to do an update with the accessories and the latest things that I've been up to with the Tesla. So today we're going to go around the car, have a look what I purchased before I got the Tesla, after I got the Tesla, and at the end we've got one ultimate accessory that I think you're going to love. Okay, so for accessories inside, starting driver's side, we have this handy little phone holder. I use an old phone here and I just hotspot it, and I've got my Google Maps. I like looking straight ahead, so I find it really handy. So I have that there. I have, for my regular phone, I have the phone holder here. Again, this is really handy, it's in a really good position. On the screen, I've got a screen protector, which really helps you know, for any scratches and potential cracks. So I've got that done. Through here, the guys who did my window tint and my wrap, I asked them and they did a protective film across here because I saw one little scratch come on it very early on and I didn't want that to repeat. So I've got a nice little protection there. In here we have one of these little trays, which is really handy, keep things in order. And in the drinks holder compartment, I've got this silicone protector as well. Moving on here, it's mainly for the driver's side, but I have this little red sticker and I have it on my side to make it even. But this is just mainly because when people haven't been in a Tesla before, they're like, how do we get out? And I'm nervous if they use the emergency door opening mechanism. Obviously we know that can damage the door. So I've got those sticks on there. I think they look all right. I've actually adapted to the red lighting, ambient lighting, and the actual color on the screen red to make it all sync. And of course we got the floor mats, which I got from early on. So that's the front covered. Okay, now we're in the back. So in the back again, we've got the floor mats, which these weren't massively expensive, but they're really nice. Also, we have a screen protector on the screen in the back, and I've also under here I've got a little kick panel in there because standardly it's just the carpet, people in and out, so this is like a plastic thing. It's got Velcro that attaches it and it's quite tidy, so that just protects from any people getting in and out. Obviously Bluetooth headphones, anyone sat in the back if they want to use the entertainment system. And over here, this, I won't get it out, but this is for the front, the inside of the front windscreen to reflect the sunlight. And very important in Thailand, and I've heard this a lot, but it was too hot. I love the glass roof, but this is way too hot. So I've got these blinds, and I got these online, and they're not the official Tesla ones. They said that they didn't have the ones to fit for the new Model 3, but they do a great job, and otherwise it's unbearably hot in the sun. So also, oh, let me just show you, we have a couple more additions. In the back here we got Joseph over there and Robert over here keeping an eye on things. So that's the back for you. And one final accessory that I got was these center caps. I took the aero covers off and put these center caps on, which I think look a lot tidier. Okay, and lastly, let's have a look at the boot accessories. Obviously we have the spoiler on the back, and if we take a look inside, pretty standard, not much going on. But if we take a look under here, we have the floor mat, which is nice and tidy. I've put a cool box in there for if you get any groceries that need to be kept cool. And also we have this panel here. I ordered this online, not expensive at all, but just protects when you put things in and take things out of the boot. So that's the boot space. Oh, and this is the all-important main accessory that I'm going to talk about next, the Thor Exhaust System. So let's see what that's all about. So basically, when I ordered the Tesla, I had a vision for what I wanted. The wrap, the tin, the accessories, and the Thor exhaust was a big part of that. So I actually ordered it before I received the Tesla, and I went down to Singapore and I went to Han Revolution in Singapore. I want to give a big shout out to Eric and the team down there. They set me up with the Thor exhaust. You can get either 2 speakers or 1 speaker. They did advise 2 speakers, it's louder, but I just went for the 1 speaker option. And they really helped me out and advised me how to fit it. After this, I brought it back to Thailand, got the Tesla, wrapped it up, did everything, and I went to get it installed. I asked around a few places in Bangkok, and I contacted a guy in Bangkok called Tesla Area, and I want to give a massive shout out because the installation was really difficult, installing the new Thor exhaust system on the new Tesla M3 Highland. It was massively hard. There's hardly any room to actually fit the exhaust underneath. The Tesla Area had fitted these Thor exhausts to Model Ys before, no problem, takes a few hours. My first visit, I was there all day. They had to improvise and make a new bracket to actually install it, to actually fit it in. The guys worked so hard, so I can't thank them enough, and that's Tesla Area. So if you're in Bangkok, basically check out these guys. They're really, really great. So basically with the Thor exhaust, what they do is they fit it in here under the bumper. But like I say, there's really little space in there. So they fit it in and they run the cable up. You can't see, but they run the cables all through the boot. And there's the module with the Bluetooth receiver is kind of just behind the seat underneath all of this. Okay, and then what they do is they run the cables in down here, along here, through to the front. Okay. And then they run them down here and they connect them up in here. Okay, and then after that, once you have power, once the power's connected, everything's done on the app. Okay, so what we have here with the Thor exhaust is you download an application, and within here you have all different car sounds that you can choose from. You even have jet fighters, rockets, UFOs, and then some really sporty cars like Lamborghinis, Mercedes, Ferrari, BMWs, Audis, and you select the sound and you can actually adjust the volume on the sounds. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little look at these. We also have a boombox that can make animal noises and things like that, but I'm not so interested in that. Okay, what I want to show you is the exhaust with the car sounds, which is really this is really what I wanted when I bought the Thor exhaust. So let's connect it up and listen to a few of the sounds. I'm going to do Lamborghini, BMW, maybe Audi to give you a sample of what it can do. Lamborghini. BMW. Mercedes. BMW M5. Okay, so as the sun sets, let me give you my honest opinion on the Thor exhaust. It took me 2 months until I finally got it installed, and I love it. It's amazing. Installation not easy, but worth it. What can I tell you? Hand Revolution, amazing. I'm going to link them below. Also, Tesla area, I'll link it below. It's absolutely amazing. One thing you're missing about electric cars is the sound of the engine and the exhaust, then I highly recommend that you get a Thor exhaust or something similar. Absolutely game changer, enjoying it a lot. So stay tuned for my next video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Sawadee krap.